wood, and of course, we started finding turkey feathers and stuff, and of course, he got all excited, so he and Vicky went rummaging through the woods. I said, y'all go find some feathers and go look around, and I was marking some stumps on that place I want to put that new feed plot. So as soon as it kind of dries up, I get out there and pull them stumps up so I can kill it. Yeah, it looks like traffic's starting to move, so we'll get on through here shortly. Not exactly sure, but you know that stuff I was telling you about in the backyard, the deer love coming up and eat. I'm thinking that, you know, we feed the birds. I'm thinking it's something in that mixed bird seed that, you know, is blown all over the yard and started coming up. But whatever it is, they love it. I need to find out exactly what it is, I told you. Well, I tell you what, this weekend or whenever you got a nice sunny day like this, or if you have to, pick some that's, you know, a good representation of it and take a picture and send it to me, and I'll see if I can identify it with that book I got. Maybe that'll help. Okay. But try to get a good picture where you can, man, I can see the leaves, or if it's got little flower buds or anything where the more definition, the better. Yeah, I don't know whether it's maybe thistle or I don't know. It's got long stems on it from the roots. It's got long, and then the leaves kind of look like, I don't know, like a Japanese holly, you know, where it's not the sticky leaves, but the smooth ones. I have no idea. Me neither. I was going to do some investigative work last night on it, look on the computer, but I didn't do it. Yeah, I know. I went home and had grand plans of doing this, and I think I did that, and that was it. I got up this morning, I seen the other stuff laid out that I had plans on doing. I was like, shit, didn't even get to that stuff. Well, you run out of time, you're tired from working all day. I see a couple of cars on the shoulder up here, but I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I don't know. There's a bunch of cops on the southbound side. Yeah, I see cars are stopped on the southbound side too. Like you said, somebody done screwed up here. There's a rollback with a car on it. Probably somebody with a flat tire and can't fix it and got everybody stopped. Man,